Hey fam, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, I know it's been a month full of Sundays since the last time you saw me. Actually, it was longer than that. It was but I'm back. Thank you for tuning into my YouTube channel. And if you are new here, welcome to the channel. So, today I just want to show you what I picked up today from Home Depot. I will be starting my seeds. I already started some, but I did not get that on video. Sometimes, it's just good to be in the moment, and picking up a camera to record yourself while you just want to be in the moment is hard sometimes. It's hard. So, can't cry over spilled milk. We here now. So I have a couple of seeds that I had ordered from Facebook Marketplace and Macari because they were different seeds, things I have never saw before, but I want to incorporate this year in my garden. So the ones that did arrive, we're just going to plant. Hold on. I have this tower here that I went and purchased from the dollar store. You know, the stackable one. It is not this high up. It is currently on the table. So, yeah. Let me just. Well, that did not go over too well. So, here we go, looking at what I got from Home Depot. Okay, as well as some of the seeds that I had ordered off of Macari and Facebook Marketplace, like I mentioned before. Oh yeah, before I even get started, you already know. You already know. It's not giving. It's not giving. I really need for you to smash that subscribe button if you haven't already done so by now, and tap that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I release a new video. Follow me over on IG and TikTok at Forbidden Roots Co. Information right here. And stop playing with me. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so these are the seeds that I know, not all of them. Some of them I had already planted, like they're different types of basil seeds in here. But this is what I picked up today from Home Depot. I have two already, but I needed another. Actually, I need another, and I should have just got another one when I was there, but I don't know what I was thinking. And I went to Lowe's today, and I could have got another one, but again, don't know what I was thinking. I picked up some of this Dr. Earth. I love this Dr. Earth. Well, actually, this is not the one that I originally had the year prior. This one is for the fruit trees. I had got this for the nectarine tree that I just got, and also I was thinking I could use it on my strawberries and I'm not sure, blueberry. Yeah, blueberries. This ain't all berries. So I wanted to try this one out. I picked up some of this Garden Tone. This here I love, by Espoma. I had used this one the year prior, and I had no complaints. None at all. This here is old, very old. And I also picked this up here from Home Depot. Ooh, watch your limbs. Watch your limbs. True Organic Blood Meal. I never tried the True Organic product before, but this year I was like, let me try. Let me get somebody else a go. So, certified. So, I'm about to start. Oh, my bad. And clearly I'm distracted. I'm all over the place right now. I purchased this blood meal so that I could use it for the nitrogen loving plants. So, as you can see, corn, broccoli, artichokes. Only thing that will be in my garden that I'm actually growing this year that is on this package is the chard, the broccoli, and the corn. I tried to attempt to grow eggplant last year. No bueno, it did not work. The squirrels done beat me to it. So that is that. Okay. Like I said, that is old. Don't pay no attention to this. I took this from my daughter. I was like, she ain't even using this basket. Let me see. She ain't even using this basket. You see it? So when I go outside and pick up my harvest, I'll use that basket. Our old eggs, the container, prior to me going to Home Depot to buy the Pro Hex, I had created this from our old egg container. Here's the top right there. I put some holes in the bottom and use the top as like a catch tray for the water. Okay, this is old. I just threw that in there. It's not old, but today at Home Depot, I also picked up said garden tools. Okay, I like this one because it has the metrics on here. I like, so you know how far you're digging down. So yes, I have this trowel and transplanter that I had picked up from Home Depot, and they were actually on clearance for $2.40. Okay, and I think it was originally like either $8 or $6. I can't remember, but that is also what I had picked up today from Home Depot. Let me this out of the way. You just in the way. Okay. So what I would like to start today, I probably won't have time, but sometime this week, I picked up these, what is it? Seed potatoes. These seed potatoes, Yukon Gold. I believe I picked up 2 of them from Home Depot. Yeah. Yep. I should have had my life all the way together prior to me hitting record. Okay. Well, what the heck is it? How I pick this up with nothing else? What's going on? They only had the one? Oh, no. I was right. So, I got the 2 Yukon Gold seed potato, 5 seeds in each container. Finish your statement, Lakeisha. Okay, and then I picked up 2 of the Mary Washington asparagus spears, crowns. I had planted asparagus last year, and I did not put them inside of the enclosure or in the greenhouse, and the squirrels done dug them up, and well, you already know the rest is history. So this year I will be finding a forever home in the enclosure for the asparagus. So I picked up 2 of the Mary Washington asparagus crowns with 3 plants in each. Excuse me, gassy. In each one. Then I picked up this bag of red Baron onions. Now I'm so happy because I don't believe last year that they had the name of the red onions. I believe it just said red onion. So now I know the name. But yes, these are ready to grow. As you can see, some are starting to sprout. So I want to hurry up and get these into the ground. And I also picked up the onion, Lord have mercy, 100 of those. Okay, so these haven't begun to sprout. Oh yeah, I see one right there. See that? So I am going to do something like very productive today. Okay, and yeah, that is my So yes, that is my Home Depot shopping haul that I picked up today to sell wall planting. Now I have these culinary herbs from Organo